Getting the correct specification for fastener and anchor locations when designing for extreme conditions. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. In this video, we look at the critical matter of ensuring the correct specification for fastener and anchor locations when designing for extreme conditions, highlighting the need to carefully review the specified system's test drawings to ensure the necessary product strength is maintained. It's important to read and review in detail the test results on the project that you are using on an impact-rated application. Review the shop drawings for each system and see what the substrate was used in the test mockup. ASTM E1996 allows substitution of substrate as long as it is a stronger material than that which was tested. Calculations can be provided to support this. The anchors used can be substituted as long as calculations show they are stronger than the tested fasteners. A13.9.3 clearly points out that no substitution of a weaker fastening method will be allowed. This also points out that fastener spacing and number can't be less than that was used in the test. So make sure to get copies of the test and the shop drawings or installation instructions specific to that system so that you are aware of how it was to be installed, how it should be installed, the substrate around in which it was tested, and the anchoring schedule. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.